Hi guys, thanks for subscribing to my page. Welcome back, and today we're making Jamaican brown stew fish. Now if you love brown stew fish, you're gonna love this recipe. You can use sliced fish, you can use whole fish, whatever fish you have, it will be suitable. So I'm using whole fish in this instance. I had some big fishes, and if you've been following all my videos, you know that I've recently bought some fish, so I have some big fish left and I decided to make brown stew fish. So go ahead and wash and clean your fishes. I'm using a kitchen scissors to just trim all those external fins and bones. It makes for easier handling. To me, easier eating also. So this is a parrot fish. The other one is a snapper. And I'm just trimming it up. It's called parrot fish because it has all the colors like a parrot. So once you finish trimming, this is what it will look like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and slice it in the desired size for frying. And I save those fish heads because one of these days I'm gonna make some fish head soup. So look out for that recipe, guys. Start off with a tablespoon of each of these. All of them will be listed below. Teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it all up. And make sure it's well combined because we want consistency in the flavor. Then we'll add also a tablespoon of blended homemade green seasoning and 2 teaspoons of hot pepper sauce. Also add a couple tablespoons, I must say about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. No, you don't have to use olive oil. Use whatever oil you have in your kitchen. And this is the consistency we're looking for. Once that's done, we're gonna add it to our fish. Rub it in and just allow it to marinate for about 3 hours to overnight. Now once that's done, to a pan, add some oil, enough for a shallow fry. Allow it to heat up and then you add your fish. If you add fish to cold oil, it's gonna break up when you're trying to turn it. Then you add your thyme, the onion, and some whole pepper, and cut 1 or 2 in halves. So we're really flavoring the oil. So the fish is frying in an oil filled with spices. Once that's done, turn your fish. And you see we're not having any sticking or anything. It's a clean turn because the oil was hot. And I like to add the seasonings right after the fish, so the seasoning them don't burn up by the time the fish finish fry. So once you finish frying your fish, you remove the oil and then you re-add a portion of it, whatever amount you're going to use to saute your vegetables, which are carrots, onions, okra, etc. All of them will be listed below. Cover and allow it to simmer on medium heat and you'll get some juices just melt together. Once that's done, you add 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of ketchup, and a teaspoon of browning. And a teaspoon of browning is enough because a little goes a far way. Mix that in and just add your fishes. Coat each of the fish with that gravy. And once you done do that, you cover it up and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. And that's what it's gonna be looking like. That's it. Another nice recipe from JJ. Enjoy, like, comment, subscribe for more lovely recipes.